Good morning. So what we got going on today is this lady is a florist, I guess you could say, self-employed. She's got a bunch of gardens here. What she's wanting all this area tilled up to expand and extend her garden. There's a little hill there, right here, you can see. She wants that taken out. And then that dirt moved. It's over there in front of that building. It's kind of uneven and stuff. Smooth it out for her. And then this big gum tree here, she wants taken out. So that's the first thing we're gonna work on. It's getting that big tree on the ground. We'll see, it'll be fun. She wants all these, between these rows, tilled up more. As you can see, all her rows, all her flower gardens. It's pretty cool. Sells flowers at the farmer's market. Pretty cool. Nice little pond. Some ducks there. First we gotta get this tree down. Big tree. Oh, that was fun. I told her I would drop it right at that red wheelbarrow, and that's where she went. Now, gotta get it cut up, move it out of the way for her. Pretty good. L4701. Help me out a little bit. Push it over. Pretty cool. Let's get it cut up. So far, starting to get the tree cut up, loading it up, stacking it over there for her. A lot of work, big tree. It's good though, it's good. Tractor's doing good. Bigger bucket, bigger loads, quicker work. It's all good. Let's keep rolling. want to talk about today just a little bit. Out there at Kristen's place, like I was saying, she florist, sells cut flowers, which is really neat operation. She just started last year, but she wanted me to cut down this pretty big gum tree. She's got a number of gum trees around her property that she wants gone, but this one was kind of cast shade over her garden in the spring and summertime, so she wanted that tree to come down. So I agreed, $150 to cut it down, and to cut it up into smaller pieces and move it to another side of her property. No big deal. Anything that a professional, tree service or somebody would have easily charged her $350 to do. So I get it down, get my tractor pushed up against it to help push it over, cut my wedge, get it cut down, falls right where I was wanting to. And I start cutting all the limbs down off of it and stuff, and then I go to start stacking these limbs on my tractor, and she comes to me, she goes, well, could you actually cut them into log sizes so I could pick them up and move them around? She said, I can pay you a little bit extra for it. I was like, sure, no problem. Now that's not what we agreed on, right? We agreed on that I would just cut it down, cut it into smaller pieces, and then move the whole tree basically. But it's fine. A customer asks you to do something extra, it's never a good idea to say no, that I'm not going to do that. So I did it. What I thought was going to take an hour and a half ended up taking me 4 hours to do this morning. Like I said, which is not a big deal, because I know that in the future, and already next week, she has me coming back to do a bunch of tilling and dirt work for her, and moving some dirt around and smoothing some areas out and tilling up basically her entire backyard so she can put in more rows of flower beds. And like I said, she's gonna continue to ask me to come help her, because I have already shown that I can help her and she can benefit from using me. So just keep that in mind. If you're kind of like myself and trying to start a small business or something, you're not really in a position to tell somebody no, that you're not going to do that or you can't do that. If you don't know how to do it, YouTube it, figure it out, call somebody else who does, who can come help you take care of it. I'm pretty confident in cutting trees down. I've cut over 200 on my own property down. So when she asked me to do that, I was like, sure, no problem. I cut everything up, get them all stacked up for you, get everything taken care of it. As long as she's happy, I'm happy. She's happy, she pays me. That's all that really mattered. So just keep that in mind. Be looking out for next couple videos coming out next week. When I go over there next week, I'll be tilling and doing some dirt work. I'll try to set it up on time lapse and show the progress of her property and everything, how everything's going. So stay tuned. See you, bye.
Yeah. And they say, promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples, se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres.